As soon as the James Webb Space Telescope turned into launched, the anticipation turned into excessive for it to show the mystery surrounding the Large Bang and uncover formerly unidentified celestial bodies. However, the clinical network turned into stunned by using its today's groundbreaking discovery. Famed astrophysicist Michio Kaku went as a ways as to claim that this revelation no longer handiest deserves a Nobel Prize, however, additionally poses a capacity danger to the very existence latest the universe itself. The question arises, what precisely is that this shocking discovery, and are new legal guidelines trendy physics required to expound those baffling phenomena? Be a part of us as we explore today's discovery, the James Webb Telescope that would doubtlessly regulate our know-how modern the universe. The James Webb Telescope isn't always only humanity's maximum sophisticated tool for space exploration, but also one among NASA's maximum pricey science tasks thus far. With an in-depth creation duration present day over many years and an astounding price range state-of-the-art $10 billion, this telescope has captured the eye and respect trendy the scientific network. Currently, it has made a groundbreaking discovery that has left the sector in awe. It transmitted the primary concrete proof cutting edge, a black hollow. What's even greater surprising is this massive black hole is not by myself, but alternatively related to something that scientists have likened to the reset button brand new the universe. Before delving into the results modern day this remarkable revelation for our solar machine, let us take a more in-depth observe this momentous discovery. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, changed into designed to be successful the Hubble Area Telescope. Its number one intention is to take a look at the universe in infrared mild, allowing it to look through dust and study items which might be too faint or distant for other telescopes to locate. The JWST has several medical targets, consisting of reading the formation and evolution modern galaxies, looking at distant gadgets within the early universe, investigating the atmosphere's ultramodern exoplanets, and studying the formation today's stars and planetary systems. One of the key features modern-day the James Webb Area Telescope is its huge primary mirror, that is 6.5 meters, 21 feet, in diameter and is made from 18 hexagonal segments. This huge replicate lets in the telescope to acquire more mild and reap higher resolution than previous space telescopes. The mirror is likewise lined with a thin layer trendy gold to decorate its capacity to reflect infrared light. Some other essential instrument on the James Webb Space Telescope is the close-to-infrared digital camera NIRCam, which is designed to take pics trendy celestial objects inside the infrared range. NIRCam is able to gazing gadgets which can be very faint and remote, consisting of the first galaxies that shaped within the early universe. The JWST is likewise equipped with different scientific instruments, inclusive of a close-to-infrared spectrograph NIR spec, for studying the chemical composition present-day celestial objects, a mid-infrared instrument MIRI, for watching the formation brand new stars and planetary structures, and a fine steering sensor / close-to-infrared imager and slitless spectrograph, FGS/NIRIS, for specific pointing and alignment present-day the telescope. In phrases trendy its release and deployment, the JWST is a complex task. It's far a joint challenge trendy NASA, the European Area Employer, ESA, and the Canadian Area Agency, CSA. The telescope changed into released on December 25, 2021, the usage of an Ariane 5 rocket from French Guiana. After its release, the JWST underwent a chain ultramodern deployments and maneuvers to attain its final orbit, that is placed approximately 1.5 million kilometers, 930,000 miles, from Earth. Considered the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, the JWST is producing present-day excitement within the medical community. Humans from everywhere in the global are sharing its pics and the usage of the uncooked information to make new discoveries. In step with the Space Telescope Technology Institute, considering that its launch scientists have made many substantial discoveries the usage of the telescope. There were over 750 clinical courses that consist of a massive quantity latest statistics from the James Webb Space Telescope. Let's take a more in-depth study contemporary the thrilling findings made by the James Webb Area Telescope to this point. Within the 1990s, scientists observed the first exoplanets orbiting distant stars by way of looking at the mild lower in a star's brightness when a planet exceeded in front contemporary it. But the James Webb Space Telescope has revolutionized exoplanet commentary. Geared up with advanced contraptions, It is able to, without delay, seize images modern exoplanets by blockading out the superstar's light. Inside a 12 months latest its release, the Webb telescope made history by taking pictures. Its first direct image today is an exoplanet referred to as HIP 65426b. This fuel giant planet is placed 100 instances further from its big name than Earth is from the Sun. Webb used more than one filters and cameras to seize pics modern this big planet, which were blended to create a composite image. Those discoveries no longer simplest proved the abilities trendy the Webb telescope, but also had a per state-of-the-art effect on astronomy. HIP 65426b is unique cutting-edge its length, which is about 12 times that cutting-edge Jupiter. Its size and distance from its famous person made it less difficult to seize in photo. However, the significance brand new direct imaging present-day exoplanets is going beyond visible enchantment. It helps us recognize the origins latest the universe and the possibility modern-day lifestyles beyond our solar device. Those photos offer insights into planetary formation and exoplanet atmospheres, contributing to the discovery present-day habitable exoplanets. At the same time as livable exoplanets are currently conceived to be rare, the Webb telescope's statement talents function it to make groundbreaking discoveries on this cosmos. The pics dispatched via the James Webb Area Telescope have revolutionized our information ultramodern the universe. The photographs showed numerous stars and galaxies, with the older galaxies acting reddish and darker. Research from numerous groups right away commenced studying these pics the use of advanced computer technology. Via those 49A2D564F1275E1C4E633ABC331547dB technology, scientists had been capable of extract a wealth present-day statistics from each point brand new mild in the snapshots. They decided the age modern-day the light, diagnosed the elements that pondered the light, calculated the velocity at which galaxies were transferring, and expected the number modern-day stars within them. The black hole become placed in a galaxy referred to as UHZ1, within the Abell 2744 galaxy cluster, situated 3.5 billion light-years far from Earth. But the Webb statistics discovered that the galaxy itself is an awful lot greater distant, at 13.2 billion light-years away, when the universe turned into just 3% modern its contemporary age. Webb controlled to capture photos of these ancient galaxies as they appeared over 13 billion years in the past. Observations with the Chandra telescope over a 2 to 12 months period confirmed the presence modern extreme, superheated X-ray emitting gas in the galaxy. But the modern-day discovery present-day the James Webb Space Telescope has been a supply modern-day challenge for professionals, as its miles believed to have the ability to break the universe. What's this stunning discovery latest James Webb? And why is it so remarkable? The James Webb Space Telescope is a brilliant feat modern technology. Its photos have transported us again in time. Through its observations, researchers made groundbreaking discoveries, inclusive of ancient galaxies and a massive black hollow with a mass 10 million times greater than our Sun. Consistent with the huge bang idea, there have to have best been prototypes modern-day stars and megastar clusters throughout that point. However, the James Webb Area Telescope sent pics revealing 6 galaxies that had been already large, brilliant, and packed with stars. What is greater interesting is that scientists speculate those galaxies may also host supermassive black holes that have been detected via gravitational lensing. Black holes are surprisingly captivating and mysterious items in space. They are areas in space in which gravity is extraordinarily strong. Gravity is the force that attracts gadgets latest each different. Whilst a celebrity is very big, it is able to go through a unique process referred to as a supernova. In the course of a supernova, the celebrity explodes and throws ultramodern its outer layers into space. What is left in the back of is a dense center which could disintegrate underneath its gravity to shape a black hole. A black hole is simply an area in space where this collapsed center has turned out to be extraordinarily dense and compact. It's so dense that the gravity it produces is distinctly sturdy. In reality, the gravity is so severe that nothing, no longer even light, can break out its pull if it gets too near the black hollow. That's why it is referred to as a black hollow, as it doesn't emit or reflect any mild, supermassive black holes because the call suggests are enormously large and might have thousands and thousands or even billions ultramodern instances the mass modern-day our Sun. Their concept to exist at the center's brand new most galaxies, including our personal Milky Manor galaxy. The boundary around a black hollow is called the Acasian horizon. Once an item crosses the Acasian horizon, it's trapped inside the black hole and can never escape. This is why we cannot immediately see or hit upon black holes due to the fact they don't emit any mild themselves, but we can look at their results on nearby be counted. Gazing black holes and remote objects may be challenging, and as an end result, we may be missing out on discovering the various oldest galaxies and black holes because they're now not seen to us. However, with improved technology like the James Webb Area Telescope, scientists are actually trying to gravitational lensing for an answer. Gravitational lensing is an impact which could make even historical and large black holes visible, which could help us complete our knowledge latest the early universe. The discovery shook the world. Ultramodern astronomers and cosmologists as James Webb sent photos state-of-the-art historical galaxies that should not exist. These distant celestial marvels have raised questions that call for pressing solutions. However, it truly is now not all. The telescope's lens has focused at the heart of today's galaxies, revealing an ultramassive black hollow owning an impossible gravitational pull that dominates the middle of those massive galaxies. This discovery can all the time change our notion trendy the universe, so scientists name it the universe breaker. The use of NASA telescopes, astronomers have found the most remote black hole ever found in X-rays. The black hole is in an early stage today's boom and has a mass similar to its host galaxy, a phenomenon in no way seen before. This finding may additionally shed light on the formation present-day brand new modern, the primary supermassive black holes in the universe. Via combining information from NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory and NASA's James Webb Space Telescope, a group today's researchers recognized the distinct signature modern-day, a developing black hole just 470 million years after the huge bang. The researchers applied the gravitational lensing effect inside the James Webb Telescope, which acts as a magnifying glass to beautify the light and X-rays emitted by means of the galaxy and its supermassive black hole. The interaction between those strategies determines the charge at which new stars are shaped and influences the increased modern day both the important black hole and the galaxy itself. The pastime latest supermassive black holes is likewise notion to have a remarks effect on the galaxy. The electricity released via the accretion process can drive powerful outflows that expel gas from the galaxy. These outflows can brand new gas that might in any other case be available for future famous person formation. They also can deliver heavy factors and other substances generated through the black hole lower back into the galaxy, enriching the interstellar medium and influencing the composition brand new destiny generations modern-day stars. Scientists have proposed numerous theories to explain how supermassive black holes shape and grow. One prominent idea indicates that large gasoline clouds in the early universe immediately collapsed underneath their gravity, forming supermassive black holes. These gas clouds, generally composed contemporary hydrogen and helium, bypassed star formation and underwent gravitational collapse, resulting in the formation present-day supermassive black holes. Another concept proposes that supermassive black holes grow by means of accreting smaller black holes or stellar mass black holes. As black holes eat surrounding be counted, their mass will increase through a technique modern mergers and persevered accretion. Black holes can collect enough mass to become supermassive. The merging latest galaxies is also believed to play a substantial position within the formation modern-day supermassive black holes. When galaxies collide, their central black holes can spiral brand new every different and eventually merge, ensuing in the formation cutting edge a more big black hole. Moreover, some theories advocate that supermassive black holes originated shortly after the massive bang within the primordial universe. These hypothetical black holes, called primordial black holes, might have formed ultramodern extreme density fluctuations within the early universe. Next accretion ultramodern mass might have allowed those primordial black holes to grow into supermassive black holes. These theories suggest that the intense conditions at some stage in the early universe may want to have allowed for the fast formation cutting-edge black holes, bypassing the need for the prolonged stellar evolution system. However, the suitable mechanisms behind the formation and increased trendy supermassive black holes stay a topic today's ongoing studies and debate. as astronomers preserve to probe the depth's latest area with superior telescopes just like the James Webb Space Telescope. The mysteries surrounding supermassive black holes and their position in shaping the universe will surely continue to spread. The discoveries made by way of the James Webb Space Telescope have a long-way-reaching implications for our know-how modern-day the universe's origins and the forces that govern its evolution. A feature related to a developing supermassive black hole. This discovery is big in expertise how supermassive black holes can gain substantial masses soon after the large bang. The researchers are investigating whether these black holes form without delay from the crumble brand new big gas clouds, ensuing in black holes weighing among 10,000 and 100,000 instances the mass modern-day the Sun. The crew, led through S. Bogdan present-day the Center for Astrophysics Harvard, determined strong evidence that the newly determined black hole become born huge, with an predicted mass among 10 and 100 million times that brand new the Sun. This mass variety aligns with the full mass today's the celebrities in the galaxy, in contrast to black holes in close-by galaxies, which generally contain best about 1/10 modern-day % in their host galaxy star mass. The massive mass ultramodern this young black hole, its X-ray emissions, and the brightness cutting edge the galaxy detected by Webb-assist theoretical predictions made in 2017 by way of co-creator Priyadarshi Narayan modern Yale College, suggesting the lifestyles modern-day an oversized black hole formed immediately from the crumble latest a huge gasoline cloud. As a lot as this is interesting, it is not totally good information for our cherished universe. Can alien civilizations use black holes as quantum computer systems? In latest news, scientists announced that the James Webb Telescope has made groundbreaking discoveries this 12 months regarding black holes. The first found out something massive, an unknown being pulled into the black hole on the center ultramodern our galaxy. The second one discovery is even more surprising. Advanced alien civilizations are using black holes as quantum computer systems. Those two discoveries were made on the identical time, main researchers to speculate that they is probably related. Scientists located a large item transferring cutting edge the middle trendy our galaxy's black hole. This object was to start with speculated to be an alien spaceship worried in quantum computing. But it was later determined to be a huge cloud present-day dirt and gas referred to as X7. X7 is set 50 times the scale brand new Earth and has been stretched via the black hole's gravity. It is on a trajectory today's the black hole and is predicted to sooner or later align with it. Whilst the connection between the big object X7 and the capacity-use trendy black holes as quantum computer systems isn't explicitly referred to, it's miles implied that the discovery cutting-edge X7 sparked hypothesis approximately alien involvement in quantum computing. It's far important to word that when we speak approximately aliens and quantum computer systems, we are not imagining comical extraterrestrial beings sitting in front today's a black hole surfing the internet. Quantum computing is a complicated clinical concept that entails harnessing the home's contemporary quantum mechanics for advanced computational obligations. Black holes have interested scientists ever since Albert Einstein anticipated their life in his concept modern trendy relativity. These cosmic giants, characterized by using severe gravity, have captured our creativeness. They defy the legal guidelines contemporary physics in methods that we nevertheless don't absolutely recognize. Contrary to preceding assumptions, the telescope has discovered that black holes were more ample and large within the early universe than we first of all concept. Until now, researchers believed that black holes formed when large stars collapsed at the end in their lifestyle cycle, resulting in a point in area wherein gravitational forces emerge as infinite. But the discoveries made through the James Webb Telescope challenged this expertise. It suggests that galaxies containing black holes have to have existed before the Big Bang, raising questions about the age today's our universe or the formation today's black holes. The James Webb Area Telescope has also uncovered 6 galaxies that provide proof today's the universe's variety and complexity. These galaxies represent a colorful cosmic dance, showcasing the beauty trendy the cosmos. But amidst this beauty, black holes turn out to be vicious monsters that eat everything round them with their inconceivable gravity. If black holes had been once useless stars that grew in size by way of eating matter or merging with other black holes, it'd have taken tens of millions or billions latest years for them to attain their modern-day enormity. It's miles vital to be aware that the discovered galaxies existed about 13.6 billion years ago. State-of-the-art, the Big Bang need to have contemporary 200 million years earlier than the life of these galaxies. This inconsistency challenges our knowledge modern-day black holes, big name formation, and galaxy formation. This has now not best proven the present huge bang principle to be a mere speculation, however, has left scientists in worry. Brand new what this holds for the future ultramodern the universe. What does the existence brand new black holes mean for our universe? Scientists fear that this can be the start present day the give up. The present state-of-the-art supermassive black holes at the center cutting-edge galaxies is a charming phenomenon that has a ways-achieving implications for the development and evolution modern-day galaxies. These black holes are distinctly large, with tens of millions or maybe billions present-day times the mass brand new our solar, and their gravitational pull is so strong that it impacts the surrounding stars, gas, and other celestial items. Supermassive black holes play a crucial position in shaping the technique modern-day star formation and the boom state-of-the-art galaxies. Whilst Rely, which includes stars and gas, comes inside the gravitational reach latest a supermassive black hole, it undergoes a method called accretion. Accretion refers back to the gravitational enchantment that attracts be counted into the black hollow. As the problem falls modern-day the black hollow, it paperwork a disk, a swirling disk composed latest hot gas and dust that surrounds the black hole. This disk is subjected to severe gravitational forces and friction, inflicting it to warmness as much as severe temperatures. The acute warmness results in the emission cutting-edge effective jets and winds modern-day lively debris from the accretion disk. The jets and winds emitted through the accretion disk can have a plate-sound effect on the encompassing environment. Considered one of their consequences is that they warmth up the gasoline present inside the galaxy. By means of heating the gas, the jets and winds prevent it from cooling and collapsing to shape new stars. This suppression modern celebrity formation has huge implications for the general structure and evolution modern-day the galaxy. The law state-of-the-art superstar formation by supermassive black holes is a sensitive balance. On one hand, the accretion procedure offers a source-trendy electricity that could inhibit the crumble contemporary gas clouds and save you the formation ultramodern stars. On the other hand, the jets and winds can also cause the formation ultramodern stars in other areas latest the galaxy.